Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if it's something like that when you're trying to visit a site, or you have a lot of spam pop-ups in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So in the first method, check all the apps on your phone in the app library, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, you can also check it in the settings. So open the main settings and swipe to the down. There you have all the apps, and if you see something strange, or the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just go back, look it in the app library, like Opera for example, and just hold the finger on it. Then choose delete app and open the delete again. If you're using the Safari software, Safari web browser, look for the Safari in the settings. Swipe down and just look for the clear history and website data. Tap on the clear history, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. If you're using other web browser than the Safari, just reinstall your web browser. That was the first method. Now the second one, the antivirus. So go to the App Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Tap on Get Started and choose Continue. Continue again and again. Then close the ad. Now choose the Continue again and again. Then tap on the Run Smart Scan, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares shall be removed from your phone. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.